друзья! С вами Артур и наш канал «Английский по-английски». Hello, my friends! I am Arthur and our channel is English by English. This is the farmer. His name is MacDonald. This is MacDonald's farm. On the farm he had a barn, horse, goat, duck, rabbit, and a pig. On the farm he had a cow, cat, sheep, chicken, hen and chicks, dog. Animals say woof woof, moo moo. Dog says woof woof. Cow says moo moo. Horse says neigh neigh. Duck says quack quack. Sheep says baa baa. Cat says meow meow. And chicks say cheep cheep, cheep cheep. And pigs say oink oink, oink oink. Let's sing this song together. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-I, and on his farm he had some chicks, E-I-E-I-I, with a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there, here a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-I. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-I. And on his farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-I, with a moo moo here and a moo moo there, here a moo, everywhere moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-I.